Hi, I'm Ann.
And I'm Dean.
We are A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain. Please like, share, and subscribe. We greatly appreciate any subscriptions we get. Today we are walking around our project to give you an idea of what it looks like on a daily basis. As you can see, our garage is a shambles of tools just stockpiled in there because we're using them on a day-to-day basis, so they're not very organized at this point. And when you walk out of the garage, you're walking into the mud room slash soon to be bathroom and kitchen. There are still walls to be going up inside, but the exterior walls are up, and this gives you an idea of what we see when we walk through our building. These planks you see here, we kiln dried so that we can use them for the roof system. They're also tongue and groove, and they are just sitting there being protected by vapor barrier just in case it rains, so that it keeps them dry, so that we're ready for the roof when we get that far. So it consumes a big section of our kitchen right now, but it's just so we can keep everything nice and dry. Out here, you walk out and you would see our dinette area and our living room, and there's the point of our house, which will have the wood stove in when we get that far. And as you can see over to the other side, that is our gaming area, I guess we'd call it. We'll have a little bar in there and a pool table eventually. And we'll walk into a spare bedroom, which is framed up. As you can see here, we still have a few more logs to put inside, and then we'll be able to put the beams for the floorboards on that side, so it will match the other side. And if you're looking out here, there is going to be a patio door for that bedroom to exit. We have a Jack and Jill master bathroom, which is just off the bedroom there, and this is the area. At this point, you don't see all the walls, but they are coming up at the end of this video. You'll see more walls for that bathroom. And as you can see, we'd be walking into our master bedroom here, where the Kubota is sitting, I guess where our bed would be. And now we're in fast speed, putting the logs up, getting everything organized, placing everything in place. And we do have help again. Tommy and Wayne come in a little later on to help us with this portion of the house build. Always a great help when they show up to help us, and we appreciate every time they do. And here we are putting another log in place. It shows you in fast speed an idea of what we do in a day. Drilling, moving logs, handle-banding, placing things. Dean does a lot of sawing with edging into the logs, and so that we can put them in place. We're lifting logs, placing them, screwing them down again, and all over and over and over. It's a long process, but it'll give you an idea of what we accomplish in a day. We did get a request to do this walkthrough to show you what the place does look like at this point from one of our viewers, and we appreciate any comments or any ideas or suggestions from anybody, and we would like to either show you what you want to see, or we can explain to you what we do. There are many long hours that are put in every day, and sometimes Dean is working alone, and other times I'm helping him, and also we do have other people come in and help. As you're going to see very shortly, our good friend Billy, who's come over to help as well. There he is. He's doing some drilling. We did this little section of the video in slow-mo so that you could actually see the drilling itself, because when it's in fast speed you really don't see a whole lot. But we thought you'd get a kick out of seeing how it looks in slow-mo. Here is what it looks like as of today, and we hope you enjoyed watching our videos, and please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.